Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Prashasana and Bhashya Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we'll deal regarding the topic of Sattva Kalpana, nothing but the extraction of the starchy plant material. So coming to the introduction, Sattva is the essence or the Sarabhag of the of a plant material, and it is usually referred to the starchy material present in the plants. So it is a formulation prepared with a single drug without any heat, and plants with medicinal value in its starchy part are subjected to a special pharmaceutical procedure called Sattva Kalpana and used for the therapeutic purposes. So coming to the definition, Sattva is a water extractable solid substance collected from a drug from the reference from the AFI. So coming to the general method of extraction of the Sattva, the drug part identified with the starch material is collected and it is cut into smaller pieces of 2 to 3-inch length, and the outer husk is removed if possible, and the drug is roughly crushed in kalva yantra and soaked in enough quantity of water for about 6 to 8 hours in a stainless steel vessel. Later, the mixture is macerated rigorously to facilitate the release of starchy material into the liquid. Then the remnant fibers and woody parts are removed from the liquid and the vessel is placed undisturbed for some time to allow the starchy particles to settle down at the bottom. Now, the stable, clear supernatant water is carefully decanted out without disturbing the starch sediment, and the starch sediment at the base is washed with a little quantity of water, dried in shade completely, and then collected. So, it is stored in moist proof polythene covers or airtight glass containers, and the yield will be grayish white powder, and only 5% of the drug used is obtained as a starch. So coming to the examples, so first one, Guduchi Sattva, the reference from Yogaratnakara, Rajekshma Chikissa, Guduchi Khandashaha Kritva, Kuttaitvam Sumardhayet, Vastrena Vidritam Toyam, Sravayecha Shanai Shanaihi, Shuddha Shankanibam Churnamete, Sammishraye Vishak. So ingredients: Guduchi stem part 1 part, water 21 parts, and method of preparation is the general method of preparation. Dosage is half to 1 gram of Guduchi Sattva is administered along with the honey or any other suitable anupana. So it is Pitta Shamaka, Chwarakna, Rakta Pittagna, and Rasayana. It is indicated in Kasa, Shwasa, Rajakshma, Raktapitta, Padadari, Mutraghata, Mutrakrishra, Asrigdhara, Vatarakta, and Prameha. Its Saviryatha avadhi is 3 to 4 years. So next example, that is Udumbarasara, the reference from the Dravyaguna Vijnana. Coming to the ingredients, Udumbaratva 1 part, water 21 parts, and method of preparation is the general method of preparation, and dosage is half to 1 gram of Udumbara Sattva is administered along with Madhu or any other suitable Anupana, and it is indicated in case of Shotha, Raktapitta, and Vrana. Its Saviryatha avadhi is 3 to 4 years. So this is regarding today's topic, Sattva Kalpana. So if you have any queries, please mention in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.